Okay. So three vectors are A bar, B bar, C bar. Find a vector D bar which is a perpendicular to both A bar and B bar, and C bar dot D bar equal to 15 here. So given here. So therefore here we want the vector D bar here. Let us consider the vector D bar is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. Okay. So this vector perpendicular to both A bar and B bar here. Okay. So this vector is perpendicular to both the vectors A bar and the vector B bar here. You know, two vectors are perpendicular if a dot product is a 0. Okay, if A bar dot B bar is a 0, if two vectors are A bar and B bar, they are perpendicular, then dot product is a 0. Yes, sir. Here the vector D bar is a perpendicular to the vector A bar here. Therefore, x into 1 becomes x here. Y into 4y. And z into 2 becomes 2z here. Plus 2z. Okay, that is equal to 0 here. Take this one as equation number 3. And this again vector D bar is perpendicular to the vector B bar. So x into 3 becomes 3x here. Then y into minus 2 minus of 2y. Z into 7 becomes 7z here. 7z. That is equal to 0. So take this one as equation number 3. Okay. Next, they give the C bar dot D bar equal to 15 here. Also, C bar dot of D bar is equal to 15 here. They are already given here. Therefore, this vector D bar and this vector C bar, it's a dot product here. X into 2 becomes 2x here. Y into minus 1 is a minus of y. Then z into 4 becomes a 4z. 4z, that is equal to 15 here. So write here 15. Okay. Take this one as equation number 4 here. Okay. Now solving equations 2 and 3. Okay. So solving equation 2 and 3. Okay. Then multiply by 3. Multiply by 3. Then I can take x and cancels here. So 3 into x becomes 3x here. And 4 into 3, 12 plus 12y. Then 2 into 3 becomes 6 here, plus 6z, that is equal to 0. Then write this one as it is. So 3x here, minus of 2y, plus 7z, that is equal to 0. So change the sign here, minus, plus, minus here, plus 3x minus 3x get cancels here. So 12 plus 2 becomes 14 here. 14y. Then 6 minus 7 minus of z here. That is equal to 0. So take this one as equation number 5. Okay. So 3x and 3x cancels. 12 plus 2 becomes 14 now. 6z minus 7z is minus of z equal to 0. Take equation number 5. Next, solving equations 2 and 4. Yes. Okay. Solving 2 and 4. Solving equations 2 and 4. Okay. In this case, x is the 2x. Multiply second equation by 2x. Okay. Therefore, 2 into x equals 2x here. 4 2s are 8 plus 8y. 2 2s are 4 plus 4z. That equal to 0. And fourth equation keep as it is here. 2x minus of y plus 4z is equal to 15 here. Change the sign here. Minus, plus, minus and minus here. Okay. Plus 2x and minus 2x get cancels here. Then 8 plus 1, 9. So 9y. And plus 4z minus 4z get cancels here. That is equal to minus of 15 here. So y is equal to minus of 15 divided by 9 here. So y is equal to minus of 3 5s are 3 3s. So therefore the value of y is minus 5 divided by 3. Okay, minus 5 divided by 3. Okay. Next substitute this y equal to minus 5 upon 3 in the equation 5. Substitute here. Therefore from equation number 5, 14 into minus of 5 divided by 3. Take a minus z right hand side here. So this equal to plus z here. Then minus of 14 5s are 70 here. 70 divided by 3 here. Therefore z is equal to minus of 70 divided by 3. Okay, minus of 70 upon 3. Next we want x value. So substitute y and z in any one equation. Either we can take 2 or 3 or 4 here. You choose any one here. You better to take a second equation only. So from equation 2 here. From 2, write x as it is here. Then plus 4 into y is a minus 5 upon 3 here. Plus 2 into z is minus 70 divided by 3. That is equal to 0. Hence x plus into minus become minus 4 5s are 20 here divided by 3. Then minus of 70 into 2, 140 divided by 3. That equal to 0. Therefore I take these two terms right hand side here. X equal to 20 divided by 3 plus 140 divided by 3 here. So x equal to 3 LCM here. 140 plus 20 becomes 160 here. 160 upon 3. So use the x, y and z in the equation 1 here. Therefore 1 becomes the vector d bar is equal to 160 divided by 3 into I minus of 5 divided by 3 into z minus of 70 upon 3 into k. So this is the required vector d bar. The next example here, the scalar product of the vector I plus j plus k with the unit vector along the sum of the vectors 2i plus 4j minus 5k and lambda I plus 2j plus 3k is equal to 1. Find the value of lambda here. Okay. First you find here unit vectors along the sum of the vectors 2i plus 4j minus 5k and lambda I plus 2j plus 3k. Therefore, sum of the vectors okay. So that is equal to 2i plus 4z minus of 5k, then plus lambda I plus 2z plus 3k plus 3k. Therefore this is equal to, here I common factor here, so lambda plus 2 right in the bracket here, then 4z plus 2z becomes 6z minus 5k plus 3k is minus of 2k minus 2k. Okay, consider this vector as a p bar here. P bar is equal to sum of the vectors here. Let's take this one as a p bar. Then it's a modulus here. Modulus of p bar, that is equal to root of lambda plus 2, it's a square plus 6 square plus minus 2, it's a square. Okay, modulus of p here. Therefore it's a unit vector here. Therefore unit vector along the vector p bar, sum of the vectors here, that is equal to p bar divided by modulus of p bar here. Okay, therefore p bar is this vector here, so this equal to lambda plus 2 into I, then plus 6z minus 2k divided by, so root of lambda plus 2 square here, lambda plus 2 square is a lambda square here, plus 4 lambda plus 4 here, lambda plus 2 square is this one, 6 square is a 36 here, 36 minus 2 square is a 4 plus 4 here. Okay, so therefore this is equal to lambda plus 2 into I minus plus 6z minus 2k divided by root of lambda square plus 4 lambda, 36 plus 4 40 plus 4 gives 44 here, plus 44. So this is a vector p bar here. So p bar is a sum of the vectors here. Therefore a unit vector along the vector p bar. So obviously it is a p cap here. It is denoted as a p cap. P cap is a unit vector here along the vector p bar. Then scalar product of the vector I plus j plus k with this unit vector is 1 here. They given. Okay. So given that scalar product of I plus j plus k with p cap is 1 year is 1. Okay, so this is one vector, the given vector here, this is a given vector, and a p cap is this one. Its a product is 1 in it, they already given here. That's I plus j plus k, I plus j plus k dot of scalar product means dot product here. So lambda plus 2 into I plus 6z minus of 2k right in the bracket here divided by root of lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44 here, that is equal to 1 here. Scalar product is 1 unit here. Now take this term that side here, cross multiply, and it's a dot product here. Okay, here this is one vector here, This is the other vector. It's a scalar product here. 1 into lambda plus 2 is a lambda plus 2 here. Okay. Again, 1 into 6 becomes 6 plus 6. Next, 1 into minus 2 becomes minus of 2 here. Divided by root of lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44 is equal to 1 here. Is equal to 1. Okay. Then just to simplify in the numerator term, you can remove this bracket here. You can remove this bracket here because 1 into lambda plus 2 is lambda plus 2 here. Then 1 into 6 becomes 6 plus 6 and 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 here. Here plus 2 and minus 2 get cancels here. So squaring here, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both the sides here. So lambda plus 6 whole square here. Lambda plus 6 whole square divided by square root and square get cancels. So lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44 is equal to 1 square is 1. Okay, squaring on both sides. Lambda plus 6 whole square by square root and square cancels here. Lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44. Now take this term right side here and expand it here. Therefore, lambda plus 6 whole square is lambda square here plus 12 lambda plus 36 is equal to lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44 plus 44. Then lambda square and lambda square get cancels here. Take 4 lambda this side here. 12 minus 4 gives 8 lambda here. 8 lambda. Take 36 right hand side here. So 44 minus 36 is 8 here. Therefore, the value of lambda is equal to 1 here. The value of lambda is 1. So 1 is the answer here. So if the vectors A bar, B bar and C bar are mutually perpendicular vectors of equal magnitudes, so that the vector A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equally inclined to the vector A bar, B bar and C bar here. So here they given these three vectors are mutually perpendicular of equal magnitudes here. So their magnitudes are equal here. So let us consider modulus of A bar is equal to modulus of B bar is equal to modulus of C bar is equal to lambda. Okay, they are having equal magnitudes. Therefore, I am taking a magnitude of A bar, B bar, and C bar as a lambda. And they are already given. They are mutually perpendicular vectors here. Okay, and A bar, B bar, C bar are mutually perpendicular vectors here. So therefore, the dot product is 0. Hence, A bar dot of B bar is equal to 0. Then B bar dot of C bar is equal to 0. Then C bar dot of A bar is equal to 0. Okay. Next, consider modulus of A bar plus B bar plus c bar, its a square is equal to, you know the standard result here, modulus of a bar square plus modulus of b bar square plus modulus of c bar square plus 2 into bracket of a bar dot of b bar plus b bar dot of c bar plus c bar dot of a bar. Okay. Therefore, this is equal to, here each magnitude is lambda, so therefore write here lambda square plus lambda square plus lambda square, then plus here they are perpendicular, mutually perpendicular, these three terms are 0 there, hence complete this becomes 0, 2 into 0. Lambda square plus lambda square gives 3 lambda square here. Therefore, take a square right hand side here. So, modulus of a bar plus b bar plus c bar is equal to root 3 into lambda. Root 3 into lambda. Okay. Take result number 1 here. Okay. Next, consider the vector a bar plus b bar plus c bar makes angles theta 1, theta 2, theta 3 with a bar, b bar and c bar respectively. We consider this vector makes angle theta 1 with a bar, theta 2 with b bar, theta 3 with c bar. Okay. Therefore, so modulus of here a bar plus b bar plus c bar, a bar plus b bar plus c bar dot of a bar is equal to a bar plus b bar plus c bar dot a bar is equal to modulus of a bar plus b bar plus c bar into modulus of a bar into cos of theta 1. You know this definition here, but into the definition here, a bar dot b bar is modulus of a bar into modulus of b bar into cos of theta. If theta is the angle between a bar and b bar, so we are using that result here. Okay. Then take this a bar inside here. A bar dot a bar. A bar dot of a bar plus b bar dot a bar is the same as a bar dot b bar, then plus c bar dot of a bar. So c bar dot of a bar. You take a bar inside of it here. So then this is equal to modulus of a bar plus b bar plus c bar is root 3 into lambda. So right here root 3 into lambda. And modulus of a bar is a lambda. So write here lambda into cos of theta 1 is cos theta 1. So you know that a bar dot a bar, it is a property of dot product here. A bar dot a bar is a modulus of a bar square. Then this is a 0, this is also 0. This is a 0, this is 0, this is also 0. Hence both the term becomes a 0 here. That is equal to root 3 lambda square into cos of theta 1 here. But the modulus of a bar is a lambda, so use here lambda square is equal to root 3 lambda square into cos of theta 1 here. Lambda square cancels here. Therefore, cos of theta 1 here. Therefore, cos of theta 1 is equal to, take root 3 this side here, 1 divided by root of 3. Okay, 1 upon root 3. So similarly, cos of theta 2 gives 1 divided by root 3, and cos of theta 3 is 1 divided by root 3. Therefore, theta 1 is equal to, theta 2 is equal to, theta 3 is equal to cos inverse of 1 divided by root 3. So all the angles are equal here. Hence, this vector is equally inclined to the vector A bar, B bar and C bar. Therefore, A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equally inclined. Is equally inclined to the vectors A bar, B bar and C bar. Okay, so this is the solution. Okay, in this case, cos theta 2, take care A bar plus B bar plus C bar dot B bar. Okay, for cos theta 3, take A bar plus B bar plus C bar dot C bar. Continue like this, we get these two results here. Hence, theta 1 equal to cos inverse 1 by root 3. Theta 2 is cos inverse 1 by root 3. Theta 3 is also cos inverse of 1 by root 3. Hence, all angles are equal. Therefore, the vector A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equally inclined to the vectors A bar plus B bar plus C bar.